In today's video, I'm going to show how to set up Google Family Link on my child's iPhone. This is possible, though it works a little differently compared to Android. On iPhones, Family Link doesn't fully replace Apple's screen time, but it still lets you manage your child's Google account, app activity, and content restrictions. The process starts by downloading the Family Link app from the App Store on both your own phone and your child's device. Once you've installed it, sign in with your Google account on your phone, then follow the prompts to create or add your child's Google account. If your child doesn't already have one, you'll be guided through setting it up, including adding parental consent. After that, open the app on your child's iPhone and sign in with their Google account. The app will ask for your permission as the parent, which you can confirm from your device. Once linked, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can set restrictions such as approving or blocking app downloads, limiting screen time, filtering web content through Chrome and Google Search, and even viewing activity reports. On iPhones, the Family Link app cannot log the entire device the way it can on Android, but it still gives you meaningful control over Google-related services and usage. For a more complete setup, many parents combine Google Family Link with Apple's built-in screen time controls. While Family Link helps manage Google account activity, screen time can restrict app categories, set downtime, and block adult content at the iOS level. Used together, these tools give you a solid way to supervise and guide your child's digital use while still allowing them to enjoy their iPhone safely. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.